Hey guys, this is Austin Tallett with Columbia Coatings, and today we'll be going over the wide mouth multi-coat nozzle exclusively for the Hyper Smooth and Kool Coat system. It's designed to apply multiple layers of powder with ease. It's simple as a press fit over the standard nozzle itself. You adjust your kilovolts to 100 and increase your powder cloud. And today we'll be coating over the satin black panel, showing you guys the process. So now that our part's cured in the oven, we're going to go over a few things with the wide mouth itself. For one, it holds a residual charge after each use, so we recommend tapping it onto a grounded rack or booth to dissipate that charge. Then you can safely remove the nozzle. The wide mouth is a two-piece construction. You have the head and the stem, and you can even coat with the stem separately to coat hard-to-reach spots such as Faraday areas. We'll do a quick demonstration with this now. Now that we got our second coat cured out, we're going to go over with the third layer with the same gun settings. For most applications, you can achieve 3 to 4 layers of a coating before you can start to see durability issues due to the coating's thickness. With that being said, we have tested the wide mouth multi-coat nozzle and have coated 20 layers at room temperature with the same settings.